Namaskara friends, hope you all did well in your first exam, and today we are going to look into conservation of natural resources and sustainable land and management. Okay, so welcome you all. We are going to understand these topics. Okay, this topic is very important for exams, yes, but more than that, it is important for real life. Why is our life comfortable today? Think for a moment. Okay, the answer is simple: nature. Yeah, water, land, soil, forest, minerals. Everything from comes from nature. So if nature is protected, our future is protected. Simple logical, ba? Okay. So let's get into the first thing or first topic, introduction to natural resources and land. So let us understand what natural resources actually mean. So natural resources are materials that come directly from the earth and help us support in life. Examples are air, water, soil, forest, minerals, sunlight, natural gas. Okay, these are the natural resources. Now think practically. Your mobile phone equal to plastic, metal, or glass. Okay, all of these are derived from natural resources only. So every man-made product at a basic level depends on nature. That's why we say no nature, no development. Yeah. So coming to land as a service. Okay, this is the next part, which is a very important concept called as land as a service. Land is not just empty space. It supports agriculture, houses, industries, transportation and communication systems. But here is the problem. Land is a finite source, means it does not increase but population keeps increasing. Because of this imbalance, land quality is degrading, crop production is reducing, and competition for land is increasing. Take a real life example. Okay, earlier cities had open lands and fields, but today the same places are full of buildings and roads. You can see the Bangalore traffic also, right? So, what is the result? Water scarcity, floods are happening, very heat and pollution. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ and this includes houses, schools, colleges, parks, hospitals, and its main purpose is living and basic amenities. Okay, basic things. Okay, that is nothing but urban land. Commercial land. What does commercial land mean? Used for businesses, activities, shops, malls, offices, industries, and warehouses. It gives higher returns but is very expensive. Then comes to investment land. This land may be unused today, but its value increases in the future due to development. Then comes wetland. Wetlands includes lakes, rivers, ponds, bays, and marshes. So they help maintain water quality, support wildlife, and reduce flood damage. Remember, flood in cities. Loss of wetland is the major reason. Okay, if in flood is happening in cities, so this is because of loss of wetland. Okay. Rangeland. It is nothing but characterized as forest, desert, farmland, pasture, industrial, or urban. Okay. Then coming to farmland or okay, agriculture or farmland, used for growing crops like rice, wheat, fruits, and vegetables. Nearly 50% of the population depends on agriculture. 50%. Okay. Then forest lands. Forest land are covered with trees. Okay, and 25% of Indian forest areas. Okay, forest control soil erosion, flooding, and increases rainfall also. That's why forests are called lungs of the earth. Okay, conservation of landforms. Okay, land conservation means protecting natural land and restoring damaged land. Okay, there are four techniques from which we can do this. What is land restoration? Land restoration is nothing but bringing damaged land back to its original condition. Okay, if something is damaged, bringing it to original condition is nothing but land restoration. And land preservation. Preservation is nothing but protecting land from inference. Okay, what does inference means? Means land is left alone with minimal maintenance. Okay, yeah. Land mitigation, balancing damage caused by development. Balancing damage or harm caused by development, that is nothing but land mitigation. Land remediation, removing pollution from soil and water. Okay, so the benefits are clear. If you do this land, like if you protect our natural land and restore damaged land, so the benefits will be like less pollution will be there, better soil quality will be there, flood control will be there, and also environmental balance will be there. Next topic is deforestation and land use changes. So deforestation means clearing forest for agriculture, construction, or industries. This is nothing but deforestation. Why is this dangerous? Okay, why is this dangerous? When trees are cut, okay, carbon dioxide increases. Carbon dioxide increases. Biodiversity is lost. Soil erosion increases, and also there will be a climate change accelerates. Okay, earlier large parts of the world were covered with forest. Today, forest cover has reduced drastically. Okay, ಮರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಮೋಷನಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚುವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, and soil health and management is next topic. You go through this, okay, descriptions and all. Soil health and management. So soil is not just the dust, okay, it is a living system. Healthy soil performs five essential functions. What are that five essential functions? Regulates water, okay, regulating water, supports plant and animal life, filters pollution, cycling nutrition, and then provides physical stability. You can remember by this memory trick, or you can easily remember this, okay, not an issue. What are the main principles to manage soil health? Maximize living roots, minimize disturbance, maximize soil cover, maximize biodiversity. And yeah, let's go through this once. We will get into soil conservation, degradation, sustainability, land and all. Okay, soil conservation, sustainability. What is this soil conservation, sustainability, and land management? So finally, let's understand sustainability, land management. What is it? It means using a land in a way that meets present needs without harming future generation. Okay, without harming future generation. Its objective include maintaining productivity and being economically viable, being socially acceptable. These are the things of sustainable land using planning. Okay, the key idea here is to balance things, not overuse, not misuse, but wise use. Wise use. Okay, uh, ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ದು. Okay, so we should protect them for the future generation. So this is the topic. It's not just for the exams, it is for life. If we conserve land and natural resources today, we ensure a safe and sustainable tomorrow. And thank you for watching. All the best for your exam. If you want model 2 and further or any notes, you can comment down. And thank you Gurugale for the notes, and VTU notes for all for updating the notes. You can go to this website and have a look. He has uploaded many notes. Okay, yeah, bye guys. Thank you for watching, and do like, share, subscribe. Okay.